Mais Haiti Exchange, Haiti Exchange.
All right, we're here with Joed Esperance, the director and filmmaker for the brand new documentary, Stones Cry Out. What's going on, man?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good. So tell us about this documentary. What is it about?
First and foremost, thank you for the opportunity to be here today. Well, Stones Cry Out is basically a documentary telling about the progress of Haiti, well, the lack of progress that's been going on in Haiti for the past about year and a half. Now we're at 18 months after the quake and stuff, and I'm just showing how we struggled, and rubble's still on the floor, and I'm showing my family's involvement also. My family has been instrumental in the developmental communities of Haitians here in Flatbush, Brooklyn, and in Haiti, Léogâne, more specifically. We had a school that we just inaugurated November 2009. It was a multi-million-dollar infrastructure. It was a duplex school that was housing 1,000 students in Léogâne 2 months after the earthquake shattered that endeavor and stuff. So now I went back in as soon as I could and try to see how we can help the families in Haiti. When I brought the footage back, my family realized that the focus is not really to rebuild the school as of yet. We found that the immediate focus was to rebuild homes and lodging for the families, starting with the families, then in the area of Léogâne. So I went to Haiti about 4 more times after that, collectively 5 trips over the 14 months that I've been filming this documentary, and now we have Stones Cry Out.
I'm kind of observing, and I'm trying to get a clear understanding of what exactly is needed here in Haiti.
November the 18th, 2009, we inaugurated the school.
These are not ruins that you see. These were all homes that people lived in.
Because I'm not sure that, I could recover that quickly. We just finished to build the school.
People are making makeshift homes with wood, sheets, doors, metal, anything that they can find.
We need to give them place to live, to come to the school.
If we don't do something very fast, more people will die.
This is your brother. It's a special gift that somebody can give you, smiling in the middle of the war.
We need coordination.
Haiti need you.
Well, I went to school, grew up in Brooklyn, but I went to school in the United Nations International School in Manhattan, New York. I realized that I was passing all my time in the media studies lab. It would be well into like 10, 11 o'clock at night, getting out of school, a full day of school, and I was just editing videos. So I realized that's what really I should be doing with my life.
That was your calling.
That was my calling. While I was going to Haiti, I didn't have my own equipment. I wasn't blessed with my own equipment at the time. And then the days were passing. We had to get the footage. So as I got the permission to go to Haiti, I got the funds to go in. I just told my college that I was doing homework and stuff, and I had to get this footage out here in the neighborhood. And I was really going to Haiti, filming, staying there for about...
So in other words, you buy Monty.
Buy Monty. Every that's it.
And you took it and you did the video.
And I did what I had to do.
You did what you had to do.
Yeah.
Good. Congratulations, man. So now, where can people see? Is there a premiere coming up? What's going on?
Yeah, we're blessed. I missed the Tribeca Film Festivals, but the home of Tribeca Cinemas, they're gracing us with the theater for a day. One night only, we're having a red carpet premiere, world premiere, here in Tribeca, 54 Varick Street, June 19th at 7 p.m.
Okay. Now, what would you say to people who are saying, enough with the Haiti documentaries, let's move on, let's do something new? What would you say to those people what would you say to the haters?
To the haters, what are you doing? Show me what else, show me another program that's doing something. We can't really forget about these people. It's 18 months, and they're still sleeping. What was their homes are now their pillows. They're still sleeping under tents. No one has homes. This documentary is showing what people are living in right now.
All right. Any last words for the viewers on HaitiXchange?
Ensemble nous fort, pour qu'on nous fait. That means together we're strong. By ourselves we're weak. So I need you. We need each other.
We're gonna be there, man. We're gonna be there. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.